about Kerala, but with more advanced and strong vocabulary. 1. Unique geography. Kerala, often dubbed God's own country, boasts an exquisite blend of pristine beaches, tranquil backwaters, and the majestic Western Ghats, which are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Unparalleled literacy rate. Kerala stands as the epitome of educational achievement in India, with the highest literacy rate, surpassing 90% of its population. 3. Vasco da Gama's momentous landing. The famed Portuguese navigator Vasco da Gama made his historic arrival in Kerala in 1498, initiating European colonial dominance over the Indian subcontinent. 4. Traditional boat races. The spectacular Vallam Kali boat races in Alappuzha are a vibrant celebration of Kerala's aquatic heritage, where the imposing snake boat races draw global attention. 5. Ayurveda's birthplace. Kerala is the cradle of Ayurveda, the ancient system of holistic healing, where therapeutic treatments using natural herbs and oils offer profound rejuvenation. 6. Monsoon's dual impact. Kerala's climate is shaped by the bifurcated monsoon seasons, southwest and northeast, each bestowing the state with abundant rainfall and fostering a rich ecosystem. 7. Exquisite cuisine. Kerala's culinary offerings are a melange of flavors, with seafood and coconut-based dishes being prevalent. The grand Sadhya feast, served on a banana leaf, is a quintessential cultural experience. 8. Coir production. The state is the preeminent producer of coir, the fibrous material derived from coconut husks, which is extensively used in the manufacture of mats, ropes, and other products. 9. Sabarimala's pilgrimage. Sabarimala Temple, one of the largest pilgrimage destinations in the world, draws millions of devotees who embark on a sacred journey to seek divine blessings. 10. Rich folklore. Kerala's folklore is steeped in tradition, with captivating performances like Kalaripayattu, martial art, and Thing, ritualistic dance, which are central to the state's cultural identity. 11. Backwater serenity. Kerala's backwaters, an extensive network of lagoons and rivers, offer a serene retreat for travelers, providing an unforgettable tranquil experience amidst nature. 12. Onam's grandeur. Onam is an extravagant celebration that honors King Mahabali, complete with elaborate dances, music, floral decorations, and the renowned Sadhya feast. 13. Brahmini Kite Sanctuary. The Kottayam Veka region houses the exclusive sanctuary for the Brahmini kite, a bird species endemic to this area, further emphasizing Kerala's biodiversity. 14. Thekkadi's wildlife. Thekkady is home to the renowned Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, a haven for elephants, tigers, and other endangered species, offering eco-tourists a glimpse of India's wildlife splendor. 15. Munnar's tea estates. Munnar, a picturesque hill station, is famous for its vast and verdant tea plantations, which contribute significantly to Kerala's economy and allure. 16. Kathakali's opulence. Kathakali, a classical dance drama of Kerala, is marked by intricate facial expressions, grand costumes, and a compelling narrative that conveys epic tales through dramatic movement. 17. Communist legacy. Kerala was the first state to elect a communist government in 1957, setting a precedent for leftist political movements across the nation. 18. Spice Garden. Kerala, known as the Spice Garden of India, has a diverse cultivation of spices like black pepper, cardamom, and vanilla, which are integral to its agricultural and culinary identity. 19. Elephant Festival's magnificence. The Elephant Festival, especially at the Guruvayur Temple, is a grand spectacle where elephants, adorned in gold and colorful decorations, are paraded in reverence. 20. Religious tolerance. Kerala is a paragon of religious harmony, where Hindus, Muslims, and Christians coexist peacefully, celebrating each other's festivals with mutual respect and understanding. 1. Oldest language of Kerala. Malayalam, the official language of Kerala, is considered one of the oldest Dravidian languages with roots dating back to over 2000 years. 2. Largest rubber producer. Kerala is India's leading producer of rubber, contributing nearly 90% of the country's total rubber production. 3. Largest freshwater lake. Vembanad Lake is the largest freshwater lake in Kerala and the longest lake in India, spanning several districts. 4. High per capita income. Kerala ranks among the top states in India in terms of per capita income, reflecting its high standards of living and economic development. 5. World's first digital school. Kerala is home to the first digital school in the world, the Kerala State IT Mission, providing a tech-integrated learning experience. 6. Mysterious Meghalaya Hills. Kerala's Meghamalai Hills is a lesser-known paradise for nature lovers, often referred to as the high wavy mountains, offering a serene escape. 7. The first legislative assembly in India. Kerala became the first state in India to form a legislative assembly under a fully elected government after independence in 1957. 8. World's most sustainable farming practices. Kerala is famous for its eco-friendly, organic farming practices, and many regions have been recognized globally for sustainable agriculture. 9. Kochi's Portuguese influence. The city of Kochi was a major Portuguese colony for over a century, influencing its architecture, culture, and cuisine. 10. Rare wildlife species. Kerala is home to several endemic species of flora and fauna, including the Nilakurinji flower, which blooms once every 12 years. 11. Famous for snake worship. The state has a deep-rooted tradition of snake worship, particularly in temples like the Sri Nagaraja temple in Nagarcoil, dedicated to serpent deities. 12. Largest pineapple producer. Kerala is the largest producer of pineapples in India, particularly in the districts of Idukki and Wayanad. 13. The birthplace of Kalaripayattu. Kerala is the birthplace of Kalaripayattu, one of the oldest and most practiced martial arts in the world. 14. Largest number of traditional art forms. Kerala is home to a variety of traditional art forms, with over 50 types of classical dances, performances, and folk arts, including Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, and Theyyam. 15. Pioneering in waste management. Kerala's waste management system in cities like Kochi and Thiruvananthapuram is recognized as one of the best in the world, focusing on sustainability and recycling. 16. The Spice Capital of India. Kerala has been called the Spice Capital of India due to its rich cultivation of black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. 17. Houseboats in Kottayam. The backwaters of Kottayam, a less visited region, offer a tranquil and unique experience with its private houseboats and beautiful landscapes. 18. Kerala's rich coffee history. The state has a rich coffee growing tradition, especially in the hills of Wayanad and Idukki, producing Robusta and Arabica coffee beans. 19. Vast network of canals. Kerala has an extensive network of natural and man-made canals used for irrigation, transport, and water conservation, playing an important role in agriculture. 20. High life expectancy. Kerala boasts the highest life expectancy in India, largely due to its advanced healthcare system, widespread education, and nutrition. 21. Rivers of Kerala. Kerala has 44 rivers, and many of them originate from the Western Ghats, providing vital freshwater sources for the state's agricultural economy. 22. Ancient temple architecture. Kerala's ancient temples, like those in Thrissur and Guruvayur, feature unique architectural styles that blend Dravidian and local influences. 23. Kerala's literacy and healthcare achievements. The state consistently ranks high in terms of both literacy and healthcare outcomes, with one of the highest life expectancy rates in India. 24. The only state with a communist government. Kerala was the first state in India to elect a communist government in 1957, and the Left Democratic Front (LDF) has governed the state multiple times. 25. Vipin Island's historical significance. Vipin Island in Kochi is one of the largest man-made islands in the world, created by the construction of a barrier island to protect the region from the sea. 26. The Nilakurinji flower. The Nilakurinji flower blooms once every 12 years in the hills of Munnar, turning vast stretches of land into a mesmerizing sea of blue. 27. Kerala's unique temple festivals. Kerala hosts some of the most unique temple festivals, such as the Thrissur Puram, a grand spectacle of elephants, music, and fireworks. 28. Famous for cashew production. Kerala is a major producer and exporter of cashews, especially in areas like Kollam and Kozhikode, where cashew processing is a major industry. 29. Pioneer in healthcare tourism. Kerala is a global leader in health tourism, attracting thousands of people every year for Ayurveda based wellness treatments. 30. The highest number of waterfalls in India. Kerala has over 40 waterfalls, including the famous Atirappalli Falls, often called the Niagara of India, making it a top destination for nature lovers.